In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare Proxy for your website. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, changing configurations, or you simply want to see how things function without Cloudflare's proxy in place, this guide will show you exactly what you need to do. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all settings related to your website on Cloudflare, including security, DNS records, and performance optimizations. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page where you'll see a list of domains that are linked to your Cloudflare account. Select the domain for which you want to disable the proxy service. If you manage multiple domains, make sure to choose the correct one to avoid making changes to the wrong site. Now head over to the DNS section. You'll find it in the menu, displayed as DNS with a sub-option labeled Records. This area is crucial as it contains all the DNS records associated with your domain. These could include AAA, or CNAME records. Each type serves a different purpose, such as directing traffic to an IP address or aliasing one domain name to another. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the records, because any adjustments here can impact how your site resolves. Once you're in the DNS records section, you need to identify the specific records that are currently proxied by Cloudflare and you wish to modify. These records will be indicated by an orange cloud icon, signaling that they are being proxied through Cloudflare's network, which adds layers of security and performance benefits. To disable the proxy, you'll need to toggle the settings. Simply click on the orange cloud icon next to the record you want to change. Doing this will turn the icon from orange to gray, which indicates that the record is now set to DNS only. This means that all traffic for that record will now bypass Cloudflare's services and go straight to your origin server instead. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to ensure that you click the correct icon to prevent any accidental changes. After you've adjusted the proxy settings, check if there's a Save button or prompt. Sometimes, although not always, Cloudflare may ask you to confirm the changes by clicking Save. Once you do so, your changes will begin to take effect. Remember that DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate. In some cases, it might take a bit longer to update globally, so be patient while the changes are applied. And there you have it. Disabling the Cloudflare proxy for specific DNS records is a simple yet effective way to control how your site routes its traffic. As you work through these steps, always double-check your settings to ensure everything is configured as intended. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.